Meaning of dictator.
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 Dictator. A dictator is a person who holds absolute power and authority over a nation or group of people. This type of leader typically maintains control through the use of force, repression, and propaganda. Dictatorships often suppress political opposition and limit individual freedoms in order to maintain their grip on power. In some cases, dictators come to power through violent means such as coups or revolutions, while in other cases they are appointed or elected into office. Overall, the term dictator carries with it a negative connotation due to the authoritarian and oppressive nature of the regimes they lead.